Welcome to today's episode. Today, I'm working on my LS swapped S14, and let me show you what we're doing today. Okay, so today, I'll be installing a oil catch can on this bad boy. So, I'm gonna teach you guys how to install the catch can on this LS1. So, we're gonna route them. Stay tuned. Okay, so it comes with 3 different size fittings for the catch can, and I'll be using the ones in the middle right here to mount it into this car, because that's the size that it has to not run into any trouble. So first, what I'm gonna do, find a location to mount this, which I already did. I'm gonna mount it right here, and it's gonna sit like this, like that, and it's gonna route over here. So that's what I'm doing next. Catch cans right there mounted. Now let's route all the lines in. Okay, update. I routed this hose, which is the out hose. This says out. Routed it down there to the intake manifold down there. You can see. So, right there. So now what I'm working on, I made this PCV hose to route it to the inlet side, but this PCV is for another car, so I just made it work with this bigger hose, and then I put this on there, screwed it on there so it doesn't come out. It's just another piece of one of like the ones I put on there, like one of these fittings, but I screwed it in there so it's gonna be tight, it doesn't come out. So now what I'm gonna do, you see this hose, I routed it to there, around the fuel rail, this way. Now it's gonna go down this way. So now I'm gonna route this one and show you how it is. Stay tuned. Alright, so the catch can came out pretty good. I routed it like you see, secured it everywhere so we don't have movement. PCB valve down to the valve cover. So now let's hear the car and make sure it works. Good. She sounds very good. Healthy. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I got you with more videos. Peace.